Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Subaru. Subaru iX XV Forester. Okay, let me introduce it. It will come with two harnesses. Special harness plug and play. This one and this one, special harness. It works with factory steering wheel control buttons. And this left and right install parts. Okay. Please notice this dangerous button before you order. There is a SD card slot and built-in microphone. This is reset home. Okay. You can choose the time. You can choose the speed when you connect the GPS. You can choose the Subaru logo. Okay. Change the logo. You can adjust the theme color. Any color you can adjust. Okay. All apps are here. It's a DSP amplifier, it's built in Bluetooth and easy connection for MirrorLink. It's Google built-in Google Maps and you can download the applications from Play Store. It's the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let me check the settings. You can check about machine. This is the MCU variant. CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, hardware PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. And storage, you can check this total 64 GB. Okay, firstly let me introduce the Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let me show the Android Auto. Okay, let me open my phone. You need to use the original USB. It's the original USB. Okay. Head unit comes with two USB cable. Let me connect USB. Connected. This is Android phone. Connect USB. It will show connecting. Okay, this is black. No Android Auto. For this situation, you need to set the. It's in the settings. Let me find the settings. Car settings. Driver settings. You can turn on the watch video. Turn on watch video in the settings. Okay, let me try again. Okay, connect USB. Okay, it shows the Android Auto. Disconnect. reopen the Z-Link. We close all and reopen it. Okay, it shows that connecting. Okay, you can check this Android Auto. Okay, you can check the navigation with or Google Maps. It's with navigation. And this phone, you can make the phone call, and you can play video, Google Play Music. You also play music from Spotify, Pandora, or any music player. Okay, this is Android Auto. Let me show the Bluetooth. This pin number and the device name. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Enable it, okay. Click search button to search the device. Click pair button. Your phone will get the message. Okay, please put the pin number 40. Okay, first time please try it again. Okay, it shows one device connected from your phone. Show Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make a phone call. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Volume from your phone. It will play music automatically. It's USB 1. You can play video. It supports 4K video. Samsung 4K Diamond video. And ruled the world. It supports a split screen. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us.